If that sneeze wasn't gross enough, listen to this. Germs from this one sneeze and from people breathing can remain in the air for several hours. And these tiny droplets floating through the air can spread the cold, the flu, and COVID-19. Hi, I'm Dr. Holger Claus, and in this episode of 2 minutes and 22 seconds with Dr. Holger, I'll show you how far UVC light can reduce the spread of airborne viruses and bacteria. The germs that we breathe out behave almost like dust. Some of them will settle in a short time on surfaces, while others can stay in the air for a very long time. And when we breathe those germs in, there's a chance they will infect us. So, how can we reduce the number of germs in the air? If you have a well-ventilated room and the right filters, your AC system will partially take care of that. But most buildings don't provide enough ventilation, and the filters being used are often not suitable to filter these tiny viruses from the air. That's where 4UVC technology comes in. Traditional UVC light can kill germs in the air and is even more energy efficient than mechanical filters. But people can't be present while they operate. But filtered 4UVC light can be used with people present, enabling the reduction of germs in areas where people are. Recent research shows that installing just a few 4UVC lamps in a room can reduce the germs in the air and on surfaces by more than 98%. If you wanted to achieve that with air filters, you would have to find one that exchanges the room air 180 times an hour. Unfortunately, no such system exists, and if they did, it still wouldn't reduce the germs that stick to the surfaces in the room. So, research proves it. Filtered 4UVC technology is a safe and effective way to reduce germs in the air and on surfaces while people are present, allowing us to sit back and relax, knowing the air we breathe isn't making us sick. Until next time, stay safe and clean.